So let's continue with the concept of equality. Coming to introduction, very contested concept of political theory and is widely used in modern political thought. But with diverging understanding in classical and medieval political philosophy, principle of equality is not very well accepted. Equality means giving equal share between equal people. तो कैसे हम लोग इंश्योर करें? It's a very contested idea since ancient time, since Plato and Aristotle, even in the current time also. This idea of giving equality is very much ठीक है, the concept of reservation and all these things are interconnected. Let's so classical medieval ठीक है, they had a profound belief in the idea of natural inequality. तो पहले तो लोग नेचुरल इनइक्वालिटी में बिलीव करते थे. फॉर एग्जांपल प्लेटो व्यू दैट पीपल विथ हायर रेशनल skill can be part of the ruling class. Similarly, Aristotle rejected citizenship to women and slaves. Rejected, ठीक है. Hence, they didn't advocate the principle of equal treatment of people by the state. Equality got its wing in modern political philosophy. The idea of individualism first led to the establishment of foundational equality, formal equality. With the advent of time, the concept of equality has tracked down multiple dimensions and became the dividing line between the different schools of thought. Now, Rousseau views on types of inequality. Natural inequality क्या होता है? Like difference among the people, like beauty. There are natural inequality, intelligence, health can't be controlled, but their discriminating effects can be minimized. ठीक है. Now, conventional inequality, inequality created by society on the basis of economic status, sex, color, caste, race, ethnicity, religion. ठीक है, जो हम लोग through fundamental right try to balance. The concept of equality in political theory is mainly associated with this kind of inequalities. Now, coming to the basic conception of equality, क्या है? तो equality is not an absolute term; it is rather a relative term. ठीक है, we cannot define equality in one context. ठीक है, equality does not mean similar treatment for all. It accepts the presence of natural inequalities and dissimilarities. Equality means the absence of all man-made inequalities and privileged class in society. Supports the system of equal opportunity for all the people. Equality wants a system where equal right and freedom are given to the people. Important definition of inequality. Equality is D.D. Raffel. The right to equality proper is the right of equal satisfaction of basic human needs, including the need to develop and use capacity with which are specifically human. Lasky, there must be sufficiency for all before there can be superfluity for a few. Barker का है equality means equal rights for all the people and evolution of all special rights and privileges. Rousseau का है policy of government should be such which allow neither rich men nor beggars to increase. Sartori का है equality has no so many facets and so many implications that after we have examined it from all angles, we are left with a feeling of not having really mastered it. ठीक है, तो ये सब है. डिक फिगलर का इक्वलिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी इज फ्रीडम बट इक्वलिटी ऑफ आउटकम इज रिप्रेशन. फ्रॉम का है मेन आर बॉर्न इक्वल बट दे आर बॉर्न डिफरेंट एज वेल. एक रूसो का भी है मेन आर बॉर्न इक्वल बट एवरीवेयर इन चेन. तो so there are different dimension of equality and formal equality. Foundational equality कहा जाता है. The idea was developed in the 17th and 18th century from natural right theory. It says all humans are equal by virtue of their shared human essence and equal rights. It can be further divided into legal equality and political equality. The American Declaration of Independence 1776 declares all men are created equal. Now this 1776, all men and women are created equal. French Declaration 789 states that men are born and remain free and equal in right. So these are the revolution declaration. Now legal equality पे आते हैं. It's a part of formal equality है. This concept of legal equality, all citizens in the state are equal in the eyes of law. Law and judiciary will not discriminate based on wealth, color, caste, religion and creed. Thinkers बार्कर है, लूकस है, एबिडाइसी, एवर्जेनिंग, लॉक, बेंथम एंड जॉन ऑस्टिन. पॉलिटिकल इक्वलिटी पे आते हैं कि इट इम्प्लाइज इक्वल political right for citizen. The doctrine of political equality is based on the conception of individual as rational beings capable of political judgment irrespective of any disparities. Political rights are given in the democratic states. Common people can't participate in the dictatorial state. Political equality ensures things like universal suffrage, the right to contest election, etc. Now, substantive equality पे आते हैं. The idea of substantive equality is different from the formal perspective of equality. It tries to reduce those inequalities. ठीक है, यहाँ देखिए, substantive का मतलब होता है सब्सटेंटिव का मतलब होता है कि आप डाउन जाकर जिसके पास नहीं है, टारगेटेड ऑडियंस को आप सब्सटेंशिएट करेंगे। फिर से समझते हैं कि द आइडिया ऑफ सब्सटेंटिव इक्वलिटी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द फॉर्मल perspective of equality tries to reduce those inequalities which are popularly present in society despite the availability of foundational equality by the law of the state. It can be divided into two: social and economic equality. ठीक है, तो social equality, the concept of social equality came as a revolt against the social inequalities, discrimination within society based on class, caste, religion, creed, etc. It stands on the idea that there are different society, but they should not be attached to the idea of inferiority and superiority among the people. Some of the important characteristics of social equality are: सबसे पहले absence of special privilege, free access to public places, no discrimination based on religion, gender, caste, creed, provision of protective discrimination. Now economic equality पे आते हैं. Basis of all equality, because where they are poor and rich within a society, legal, political, social equality is not possible. Rousseau said the poor and rich are simultaneously dangerous. ठीक है, रूसो का कथन है ये कि poor and rich are simultaneously dangerous for equality and the whole society. It mainly stands for the view that no individual society should be feel that because of economic causes he is unable to have social, moral, mental and physical development. ठीक है, and economic equality का means every person should have equal chance to earn their livelihood. The key characteristics of economic equality are absence of human exploitation, just ownership of means of production, provision of economic security and just distribution of wealth. Now difference between equality and equity पे आते हैं. तो equality in a literal sense stands for equal social, political and economic status for all. Here the distribution of rights, liberties and resources is done equally to all without noticing the difference among the people. Equity stands for the idea of recognition of difference among the people and then the distribution of rights, liberties, resources according to the requirement of each and every one of them. It stands for the idea of differential, unequal treatment of people by the state to ensure equivalent result in society. Now, equality of opportunity versus equality of outcome. इस पे आते हैं. तो इक्वलिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी टाइप्स जो है, पहले अपॉर्चुनिटी का बात करते हैं और आउटकम का बात करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले सपोर्टेड बाय ऑल काइंड ऑफ लिबरल थिंकर, अपॉर्चुनिटी सबको मिलना चाहिए. सपोर्ट द आइडिया ऑफ एग्लिटेरियनिज्म. ठीक है, इकोनॉमिक इक्विटी इन सोसाइटी, मॉडरेट व्यू ऑफ इक्वलिटी, सोशल वेलफेयर अलॉन्ग विथ मार्केट. फ्री मार्केट का बात कर रहे हैं, पर यहाँ पे देखिए फ्री मार्केट जैसे इंटर करेगा आउटकम सेम नहीं होने वाला है. फिर इक्वलिटी ऑफ आउटकम पे आते हैं. सपोर्टेड बाय मार्क्सिस्ट एंड सोशलिस्ट एंड कम्युनिटेरियन थिंकर, support the society based on economic equality, social equality with the state control economy. So all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us should have an equal opportunity to develop our talent. To develop our talent, all should have a equal opportunity. अब बात करें रिजर्वेशन का, तो क्या ये इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहा है टू डेवलप? मे बी नॉट, so it's subject to debate. Now equal opportunity means everyone will have a fair chance of being incompetent. ठीक है, पीटर का ये स्टेटमेंट. नाउ थिंकर पे आते हैं. टॉनी का, in his book Equality 1931, he counters the capitalist order of society and recommended that equality can be achieved by spreading wealth evenly among social classes. Suggested that government bring laws that would impose income limits on all individuals. बेंथम पे आते हैं. He was the first thinker to give the concept of political equality, one person one vote. तो किसने दिया था one person one vote? He was none other बेंथम. और इन्हीं का एक थ्योरी है utilitarian approach, which is very much popular in GS4 ethics of UPSC. ठीक है, कि greatest of the greatest number. Also his principal utility, it is written, utility presupposes that one man is worth just the same as the another man, and so there is a guarantee that in calculating the greatest happiness each person is to count for one and none for more than one. फिर माइकल वाल्जर पे आते हैं. वाल्जर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हिज फेमस बुक स्फीयर ऑफ जस्टिस, ही ट्राइड टू एक्सप्लेन द इक्वालिटी कांट बी अचीव्ड बाय सिंपली इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ गुड्स टू ऑल. People from different cultural communities have different values of for the same good, and hence ensuring equality while recognizing cultural differences is a complex phenomena. So Michael Walzer का क्या है कि and said social goods, rights, wealth, education sector have different meaning to different societies. So each social group will have its own principle to distribute goods. So here are some most expected practice question. देखते हैं who among the following has used the concept of equality of legal personality to explain the legal dimension of equality. तो इसका आंसर देख लेते हैं, मुझे तो याद नहीं आ रहा, वन का डी है, इसका आंसर है बार्कर. The doctrine of proportionate equality was propounded by proportionate equality. तो 2A Aristotle, who expressed the view that equality is unnatural and undesirable. 3 का भी है. Karl Marx believed that equality in society could be established only when the class contradiction was removed. Yes, exactly. The following type of equality is not compatible with liberal notion of equality, economic equality. All runners finish the race in the line together, regardless of the starting point, and the speed at which they run is the statement refers to concept of equality of outcome. Okay. Who said the policy of government should be such which allow neither rich men or nor beggar to increase Rousseau. According to Walzer, complex equality refers to reducing the dominance of one good across a sphere. Equality of outcome is a type of equality supported by Marxists, according to whom the extension of legal equality to all citizens was primary characteristic of civil society. Rousseau. Who said equality of opportunity is freedom, but equality of outcome is repression? Yeah, I remember someone from Dick Fegler, who said there must be sufficient for all before there can be superfluity for few. So last की है, there must be sufficiency for all. There must be sufficiency for all before there can be superfluity for a few. Superfluity for a few. There must be sufficiency. Create a basic. तो ये हो गया. We are to some extent have finished equality. General overview and quick revision. Those who are aware of the topic need to go through the names, author's book. Thank you.